Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to add the private flight to the Flighty. Now if you want to add the private flights to the Flighty but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to add the private flights to the Flighty, make sure that you have installed the Flighty app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. And make sure that you are also connected to the Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to use the Flighty app. Now to add the private flights to the Flighty, you need to open the Flighty app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So now from here you need to go on the flight page. So here you will see the option of my flights and you will be able to see the flights, or you will see the option of search to add flights. So click on the option of search to add flights. Now you need to add manually the private flights which you want to add on the Flighty app. So you need to click on the option of here and you need to add the flight by the route or find the flight by the flight number and all of it. So after selecting the option which you think is good for you, you may have to enter the flight date, the airlines, the flight number and departure and the arrival airports of the flight. And after filling out the necessary fields, you need to click on the option of save to add the flights to your record, and you need to view your private flights. The flights will now appear in the Flighty app and you can track it as the part of your travel history alongside the commercial flights which you travel. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to add the private flight to the Flighty app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.